Here we have the old sorting office, East Croydon sorting office. That's the Network Rail have bought that, and they plan on demolishing that to make way for the new station. They'll have all their cabins and all that on there while they're building the station. But some disappointing news, I did read that the government are going to shelve the plans to expand the station. So that's not too good, but there you go, what do you expect with a Tory government, you know. Anyway, Bam Nuttall have been awarded the contract to demolish the old sorting office, but the way things are, I don't know if that, the way things are, I don't know if that will happen, so just have to wait and see. If there is any news, I'll put it in the description. But I only read that Inside Croydon, an article in the Inside Croydon online. That's why I read it, so. But I've not heard it anywhere else, so that's what's making me think. I don't know, because it would be all over the Croydon Advertiser, Croydon Guardian and that if the plans were concrete. So yeah, that's the old sorting office there. I think it closed about 8 years ago, I believe it closed. And they moved onto the Wandle Trading Estate. I think it's about two miles away, something like that. Anyway, we'll have a walk round it anyway. I think it opened in 1966, I think, and it closed about 8 years ago. We'll have a detailed walk around it. I've got images at the end, and I don't think I've got much of a right. I've got the planning application of the demolition, so. But Bam Nuttall have been awarded the contract to demolish it. But as I say, the way things are, I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I'll just do a video on it anyway. Yeah, the station they want to completely demolish if they do it. Move the whole station 100 metres further down, and add an extra 2 platforms and upgrade the tracks that run into the station from 5 to 8. It was going to be 7, but then they decided to go to 8 tracks. And obviously the Sellers Triangle they'll completely remodel, and have flyovers and dive unders and get rid of the crossover sections. But yeah, there was a rave in here about, was it 5 years, 6 years ago, and the inside got completely destroyed through rioting, and they smashed a lot of the windows in there. It was an illegal rave, and I do believe that was the entrance they used to get in there. But it's been derelict for a long time, it's been heavily vandalised. Yeah, there's a little gap in the door, might be able to have a look through there. Yeah, the old signs here, post office signs. Yeah, I think demolition was supposed to begin in May, but nothing's happened yet, so yeah, it's absolutely pitch dark in there. Yeah, there's another door, what I can just about see just through there like this. 20-30 feet in there's another door, so there's no way you could get in there. Yeah. Yeah, there's a car park around the back of the Porter and Salt. There's the car park that belongs to it as well. We'll walk round there anyway and have a look. Yeah, the Porter and Salt is open now. It was closed because of the pandemic, but now they've reopened. I think the windows are all boarded up, so no one will get into it. But now, as you can see, it's reopened. What? What's that? Old Johnson, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, thanks to his Tory cuts, this station expansion might not happen now. So, but as I say, I only heard that in one article, so I've not heard it anywhere else. So, yeah, this is the Morello 2 development. I've just done a video on this. what's this here? Application for proposed demolition now. Yeah, you can pause it if you want to read it. I've got a bit of a write-up anyways talking about the demolition. Yeah, that's the car park to the post office. They put this mural on the side here as well. That was painted on there about 2 or 3 years back. I don't know what its purpose is, but they've put it on there. Yeah, that's the car park. So if they do start demolition, this will be their base. What they'll start, they'll scaffold the whole thing, and then they'll demolish it on a floor by floor basis all the way down to the ground floor slab. Obviously that's the back of the portal and sort of there. Yeah, I'll go over the other side of the road because I'll be a bit too close to it there, won't I? Yeah, so you've got the post office this side of it now. Cherry Orchard Road, this road is here. Billington Hills down there and round. You can see they boarded the windows up, they smashed, but a lot of the glass they've replaced to put new glass in. Unless that's Perspex or something. Yeah, there was a plaque on there saying it opened in 1966. I did look for it last time, but I couldn't find it. They must have covered it over. Obviously got Morello Quarter Phase 2 there. That's 2 25-storey towers with the new steps coming down onto Cherry Orchard Road from the station. That's still going ahead. I think the plaque was over there somewhere on that corner. I'll have another look for it anyway. How, John? Yeah, I've got Uncle John with me. He's me back up because I've got my phone and all that out, and you know. Not sure where that plaque was. That's the side entrance. There was a plaque on the building saying it.
This.
Yeah, see they covered all the windows up with this mesh, so they may have covered that up as well. Yeah, another one there. Yeah, you can't see through there, can you? Yeah, they've completely covered all the ground floor windows up with mesh, so you can't see. I'd imagine that plaque was probably covered over with the mesh. Packets there, letters in there. Obviously it's all closed up now. Yeah, telephone kiosks here which have now gone. Yeah, a bit of it comes over the road here, like. And you've put all this up here, that looks quite good, that. Yeah, so they put the demolition order in, but I don't know. Still got the old trolleys there locked up, what they used. Yeah, these are the main doors, the main entrance to it. Obviously again it's pitch dark in there, can't see nothing. Yeah. Now you see it's all crumbling, you see the rebar sticking through the concrete, so yeah. Can't see nothing through there, can you? We could get in there, look, you can see right through there. I don't know though, because that's not inside the building, it's still there, it's caged off, so probably wouldn't be able to get in there. And they've got asbestos corrugated here as well. Yeah, that's asbestos, that is. It shouldn't be there. Yeah, another entrance to it there. I don't know what all this stuff is here. Yeah, it looks like it's someone sleeping there, but it's all soaking wet, so obviously they're not going to sleep there now, are they? Strictly no pedestrian access. Someone's put a mushroom up there, look. Yeah, the old earthing rod lightning conductor there. Yeah, I'm working my way through Croydon, doing all the different developments and all what's going on. Usually I do when I come here, so it's worth checking all the other videos out I've done. Yeah, City Link House, that building over the back there, there's plans to put up a part 14, part 28 storey building over there, so that's another new proposed development there. It's in planning at the moment. Anyway, I've got loads more images of this, so I'll put all them at the end of this video, and I've got the planning application as well on there, but obviously you've just seen it on the poster there, so anyway, if there's any updates and they do start scaffolding it or knocking it down, then I shall say in the description next time I'm in Croydon, I'll video it, whether demolition will be underway or it'll be completely down then. But I will do another video on it if there's any progress. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.